Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rick here, and on today's video we're going to do a little bit of Airstream maintenance, a little bit of odds and ends is what I like to call them. Got some repairs I got to make inside the camper, as well as I think we're going to probably in the next few days try to wash the outside and put a little bit of wax on the camper. It's been a while since we've had an opportunity to wash and wax the Airstream, so beautiful weather out, so we're going to go ahead and get that done today, so stick around. I got to head over to the camp office. We got a message that we had a package delivered. Let's see what we got. All right, looks like this is it right here. See what I can do to get these parts installed. Okay guys, so a few days ago we got a package in the mail, but what we're going to do today is I've got these parts that came in from Woodland Airstream, and if you haven't checked out their website, they've got a great online parts store. So one of the things that we're going to do today is we're going to replace the sweep that goes on your shower door. The one that we had on there had torn, so we were getting some leaks around the shower door. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to replace the bathroom handle door, or the bathroom door handle. The old one is starting to wear out. The spring mechanism in there is starting to kind of give way. And then the last thing we've got for today is the latch under the sink cabinet. This is the brass 2-ball latch that we're going to go ahead and replace. The old one is starting to wear out as well, so I'll show you that here in a minute. But yeah, pretty simple task today. Again, just trying to keep the Airstream operational without any major problems, just keeping up with all the maintenance. So shouldn't take long, but we'll get these things knocked out pretty quick. So we're going to go ahead and change out the door handle on the bathroom door. And one thing that I had tried to do before ordering this part from Woodland Airstream online was I did stop by a couple hardware stores to see if they had anything that was suitable for the Airstream. But because the door on the Airstream is so narrow, it's about 1.25 inches, maybe 1.5 inches thick door, trying to find doorknobs that would work on a door of that dimension proved to be kind of challenging. So I ended up finding this one online at Woodland Airstream, and I think it was about $36 or so. Really can't beat the price, so we'll go ahead and get that swapped out and get that repair completed. So as I had mentioned earlier, you could see this handle here, how it's kind of, the spring mechanism in there is getting kind of lazy, and it's not wanting to fully retract all the way, and it's just a matter of time. You can see how it's just kind of hanging there. We're gonna go ahead and get that replaced with the new handle, and then shouldn't have that problem anymore. I'm more concerned about that just kind of coming open, and then while we're moving, then the door just slamming open and closed. So I wanna make sure that's a good secure handle. Okay, so this repair is really no different than changing out a doorknob at your home. Just basically need a screwdriver to remove a couple screws here. You'll separate the handle, and then you replace it with the new mechanism. Again, probably about a 2-minute job, as long as I don't drop any screws. Okay guys, so just like that, matter of about 2 minutes, got the new handle installed. It's fixed, so I don't have to worry about the bathroom door flying open when we're traveling down the road. So on to the next task. So the other repair we're going to make is to the kitchen cabinet doors down here underneath the sink. So as you can see, this cabinet latch here has worn quite a bit. I don't know if you can see that. It's brass, and that has worn. And then you can see where it's wearing on these latches here as well. And what that's causing is when you try to close the door and you think you get it latched, but see how it keeps popping open? So if you're traveling, then this door has a habit of wanting to sling open, and you don't want to bust that door. So we're going to go ahead and get that replaced today too, and swap out those 2 latches. All right, so I got my parts. All I really need now is just a screwdriver. We'll go ahead and swap these 2 out, and this simple task will be done here in just a matter of seconds. Okay guys, so matter of 2 minutes or so, got that swapped out, got the new latches installed, and works perfect. And then our third project for today is we're going to go ahead and replace this sweep that goes on the bottom of the shower door. So you can see that the sweep is right here, and then right here is where it started to tear, and we no longer have any more of the sweep along this edge here, because I ended up just trimming it off because it was just hanging down onto the ground and everything. But we'll go ahead and get that replaced as well. Again, something that you just got to keep up with on your maintenance, because what you don't want to do is start causing water damage along this piece of the cabinet wall and down into the floor here, where water can then start to seep into that and cause damage to the subfloor. Got the new one, again, standard size. It just slides into a groove. You just got to pull out the old one and slide this new one in. Okay, so once you get it started in there, take your time and it'll go. And there you go. And then any of this excess we got hanging off here, we'll just take a pair of scissors and trim off. So guys, hopefully this has been helpful for you, but I think that's going to do it as far as indoor maintenance. I'm going to try to get out and, like I said, wash and wax the Airstream, and show you a few tricks that I use on that as well. Hey guys, man, it's a beautiful day today, mid 70 degrees here in Florida. You know, we've been traveling on the road now for the last 10 months and picked up quite a bit of road grime. I think today is the perfect day to get the bucket out and the brush and some soap and get the old rig washed up. So anytime I wash the Airstream, I just try to use some Dawn soap. We normally used to use the regular Dawn dishwashing soap, but this is all we had on hand. But I think it'll work fine. So we'll go ahead and get some of this in the bucket and get ready to start washing the Airstream. So you know, most campgrounds won't let you wash your Airstream at the campground, but when you do find one that will, you definitely got to take advantage of it, get all that road grime off and everything, and match it with a beautiful day in the 70s here in Florida. It's an opportunity you can't miss. All right guys, so I think that's gonna do it. We got her all washed up, looking clean and shiny. We'll go ahead and towel it off, and then probably in the next couple of days we'll try to put some wax on it as well. But hey, if you guys are interested in that boar's head brush that I use, I'll leave a link down in the description below. It's a great product. Pick it up on Amazon. You won't be disappointed. You can use it on your vehicles, you can use it on your Airstream, and you don't have to worry about it scratching the clear coat or anything like that. So all right, go ahead and pick up all my stuff and see what else I can get into today. All right guys, it's day 2, and today's time to put the wax on. The Womanizer RV Super Seal, that's what I use. Get a couple microfiber towels. It's a little bit of work, but we'll go ahead and get this put on, and RV maintenance for the day will be complete. All right guys, so now it's just a matter of just taking a microfiber towel and going ahead and polishing it up.
Wax on, wax off.
That's a nice looking shine right there. Hey guys, so that's gonna do it for today's odds and ends video. Just a few maintenance repairs around the Airstream today. Hopefully you found this video to be useful. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to our channel. Also, please consider giving us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. And if we don't hear from you, hopefully we'll see you down the road.